What is up, YouTube? Today is Friday, and you know what that means. It is a 5-minute Friday. So today we're talking about a little topic that I like to call how to HODL. We're getting started right now, and before we do that, if it is your first time here and you want to boost your knowledge, increase your cryptocurrency gains, and join the movement, hit that subscribe button right now and the bell notification so you don't miss any of my wonderful content. Let's hash it out. So today, guys, we're talking about how to HODL, or how to hold on to your cryptocurrency tokens. And this may seem super self-explanatory, but I've had several people on Reddit ask me this question and say, how in the world do I HODL? And I thought it was a joke at first, but people actually really want to know this. And so I am here to shed light on my strategy for how I avoid panic selling and being a complete idiot with my cryptocurrencies. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to break this down into 3 crucial ways and strategies that I use to HODL on through all of the red days that we have in cryptocurrency and only sell when I really have to. And let's go ahead and get started. So tip number 1, and this is the most basic one that I can possibly think of. Stop listening to every single Instagram post or Twitter post that you see. Everyone has inherent biases, and some people just hate every cryptocurrency that isn't a privacy coin. So they're gonna tell you to get rid of everything that's not a privacy coin. Some people hate privacy coins and tell you to just sell them all, right? So you don't listen to everything everyone says and make decisions based off of their word and their word alone. Ultimately, like I've said in my other videos, and I'll link some of those up here, be educated. That's the key to this whole entire cryptocurrency game. And like I've said before, even in a bubble, which people will argue whether or not it is a bubble, I have a video on that one as well that I'll link. But even in a bubble, if you are educated and you make smart decisions, you can still come out with a nice, meaty, delicious profit sandwich. That was terribly stupid, sorry. But my main point is be educated and make your own decisions. Use all the information that's out there in this wonderful world of social media to help drive your decisions, but don't just make decisions based on those. So tip number 2 seems also really self-explanatory, because it is. And my tip number 2 is really to put your cryptocurrencies on a hardware wallet so you can stop panic selling. Why, you may ask? Because it takes extra time, extra effort to get the thing out, to log in, to make your trade, to copy the address, to do this, to do that, to get it to Coinbase so you can cut it out to fiat currency. Yeah, it's more of a pain in the ass. So you're less likely to just hit the button and panic out to US dollars, right? I know that's the way that I am. If it's gonna take me a bunch of time, I'm less likely to wanna just go ahead and without thinking about it, do it, right? And you should already have your cryptocurrencies on a hardware wallet, so this should be pretty easy for you to implement. This should be like, wait, I'm already doing that. So you've already gotten tip number 2. You're an awesome cryptocurrency trader, right? And if you're not on a hardware wallet already and you don't have one, you should probably get one. I have a couple of videos about hardware wallets. Again, check that video out. Now, tip number 3, and I think this is the most important one, yet the hardest one to implement, because I struggle with it and I know a lot of people struggle with it. So I work full time. I do YouTube on the side. This is what I do for fun. This is why I love to talk to you guys and share all the stuff that I'm passionate about, because I'm a blockchain developer by day and I talk about blockchain and cryptocurrency by night. So it's my entire life. But all day, every day, I am checking my cryptocurrencies, and I think it's kind of stupid to do that. Back when I first started trading cryptocurrencies, like ages ago, I was checking it every 30 seconds. Like I was checking the prices constantly. And it was like my life revolved around when I could check my cryptocurrencies. Like I would get up and leave class to go to the bathroom to check my cryptocurrencies. Like that's, doing that every day. I check it once a day, if that. And it seems like a little irresponsible to you probably, because you're like, well, you gotta keep track of your investment. Definitely, I watch the prices and I keep track because I have notifications on my phone at certain windows. And I'm gonna do a video about the apps that I use to keep track of my cryptocurrency without having to keep checking my balances all the time. So I think people get emotionally invested in their balance, as they should. they see their numbers dropping and they're like, oh my God, this is my hard-earned money. I have to get the hell out of here. And I get that, but you should try to watch the prices of cryptocurrencies in general and not your own portfolio, your own wallet, because it makes you more likely to react emotionally to losses and just try and sell out everything. And I know so many people, like my friends, who have sold out emotionally because they can't handle the losses and they can't just hold through it and know that they're gonna come out on top in the end, or they can do a little better than what they've sold out of. So try not to check your cryptocurrencies 20 times a day. And I'm not saying don't check them. I personally don't check them more than once a day. That's my opinion. But if you check it 20 times a day or 50 times a day, try and narrow that down to 5. Try and knock that down to 2 times a day. And I guarantee you're gonna feel like you don't have to panic sell. You're not gonna be like, oh my God, I'm losing money. It'll just be a little bit more relaxed. Like, you know the market's red, but you're like, you know what? I don't need to check my balance right now. I'm just gonna hold through it, HODL on, and everything's gonna be okay. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I actually really had a good time making this one because I didn't realize that people really wanted to hear about this, and I love making videos like this. I love making videos in general. So thank you guys for watching. As always, I wanna hear what you have to say about this subject. Tell me how you hold on to your cryptocurrencies even through the worst of days. Leave that in the comments below, or just say, hey, what's up, man? I'll love to hear from you. So cheers guys, have a good one.